Hey everybody, it's Dano from Dano's Outdoors. Today we'll be looking at three Remington 870 pump action shotguns. Uh, they are neat old guns. Some of them, the one in the middle is a newer one. They've been making them for quite a few years. The one on top up there, that's a Remington 870 20 gauge with a 21-inch barrel, ventilated rib. It has a choke tube in the screw-in choke tube, as the middle one also does. There's my cat down there sitting on my chair. This is the youth model. I like using it for rabbit hunting because it's shorter, a little bit lighter, and you can really get through the brush easier with it. The one on the bottom has a deer slug barrel. It is a smooth bore though. Has a front sight. A little bit of white paint on there. The rear sight you can see better. Has a little triangle. I've shot a couple deer with this gun. I don't really use it that much. Here in this state we have to use shotguns and muzzle loaders, and soon they're going to be opening it up to rifles, single shot rifles with smaller bullets, less than 1 3/4 inches long, I do believe, something to that effect. The one in the middle is the newest one. There's Remington on the trigger guard. I have not shot this one yet. It's raining out today, so I won't be outside shooting any of these today. It's got a 28-inch field barrel on that one, ventilated rib. I like the bead. You can see the bead really good. It's almost it's actually a white bead compared to the older ones, which was just like a BB basically. I've always liked the Remington 870s. They've been pretty reliable for me. They're about the equivalent of the Mossberg 500 pump. That's basically the two top pumps that's ever been sold. But hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. I noticed a lot of people that watch my videos aren't subscribed, so if you can help the channel grow, please like and subscribe and watch all the videos. All right, thank you very much.